Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sastriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. Today I am going to make spinach and potatoes, but this is going to be dry, little bit oily, called Suka Aloo Palak. So for this, we are going to add some extra oil, but if you want to add little less also, it's fine. In this, add some cumin seeds, and look at the oil is nice and hot. Add chopped onion. In this, add salt, add turmeric, green chili, and add ginger garlic paste. Let this ginger garlic paste cook till the raw flavor is gone. Add lot of finely chopped spinach and spread the spinach nicely on the pan, because you want this spinach to be kind of slightly fried, and you can see this is getting nicely cooked, and once in a while just mix it and again just spread it nicely in the pan. Just to retain the nice green color, do not put the lid on, and also cook it at a high flame. And look at this spinach, nicely shining, and also oil is slightly coming out. In this, add pinch of coriander powder, a little extra chili powder in this, and little bit of garam masala powder. Just mix this and add potatoes. These potatoes have been boiled and cut into small pieces. Now we're just going to toss these potatoes. Wow, look at this. Nicely toss them. Wow, fantastic. You may have to add a little bit of salt in this. Switch off the flame, and in the last, squeeze in some lime juice, and that will give a little bit of sourness. Once again, toss it and ready to serve. Look at this, the nice spicy with the green chilies and a little bit of chili powder, and make sure you have an onion on side. Wow. It's good. You can eat this with anything, naan, roti, pulka, rice, anything. Wow. And spinach gives it a very nice look. Dear friends, it is not necessary. Aloo palak means you need to make a gravy or add a lot of tomatoes and cook. This is a fantastic way, but it is wonderful only when you make it a little bit spicy and a little bit of extra oil. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session, but do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you.